everybody, just leaving the Corralitos Sausage Company. This is the first ride I've been on that I've just been able to go out and just go for a real ride, just to kind of tool around. I just got back from going down Browns Valley to Green Valley. Did the Green Valley, this little Green Valley loop. First time I've been through there. Kind of interesting. But yeah, trying to get away from the doom and gloom for a little bit here. So figured I'd take a little gander down Eureka Canyon Road. Fun little ride. It's fairly smooth and ranchy down here, but it gets a little rougher as you go, especially once you get up near the top, near Highland Way. But it's a pretty enjoyable little ride out here in Corralitos. Lots of road bikers. Love those guys. They're about as good at staying in their lane as these pickup trucks. Well, what are you gonna do? At least they can't do anybody much damage. If I tried to look up some history on this road, there's not a whole lot that I could find, but there is a website that talks a little bit about some of the families that settled along this road in this area. If you're interested in that sort of thing, know that that's out there. I just did a search for Eureka Canyon Road history and it popped right up. I don't recall anything like super notable to tell you about here, but you know, if you're just interested in seeing the family names and what they did or whatever, kind of cool. But back there, that was the Corralitos Sausage Company, obviously. That intersection of Browns Valley, Haynes Road, Corralitos Road, I think. Nice little area. Nice little meetup spot. Ryder Road, if you go down Ryder Road, that'll run into Buzzard Lagoon. You'll also run into the top of Buzzard Lagoon going this way. Pretty aggressive hop in the road there. Some mountain biking up on Buzzard Lagoon and off of Highland Way. Bit of off-roading on Buzzard Lagoon. Pretty minimal, I think. I haven't been all the way in there, so maybe there's more than I'm aware of, but not much for that in this county anyhow. So take what you can get. Bike's feeling pretty good with the new handlebars. Out of the smoke over here. There's a little bit of smoke once you get to the top of the hill up there. It's kind of interesting, but it's not too bad. evacuated, of course. Don't know if I'll be evacuated or not by the time I post this video next week. Anybody's guess, it seems. Scotts Valley and Zayante and UCSC have all been reoccupied, which is great. Good news. Seems promising that the fire never really crossed over Highway 9 in too many places. I would think that I'd be able to go back to my place pretty soon, but we'll see. They're not getting too specific. Some old dilapidated buildings over here. I think some sport bikes come up here, but it gets a bit rough in my opinion. Awesome for these little dual sports. I guess there was a schoolhouse somewhere along here at some point. Could have just been the Bureau School, though. I guess I didn't do that much research. But the Bureau School house is now it's a winery, of course, but located just up on Summit, which this eventually runs into. But there may have been another schoolhouse down on this road. Not entirely sure. Conference grounds. Doesn't look like much of an orchard anymore. Still got the orchard sign. A few trees out there, it looks like. Maybe the road that the orchard that the website refers to that I was talking about earlier. Mentioned that one of the families moved over there where there was an orchard, but it wasn't doing too well, so they trimmed a lot back and tried to keep some of it going. Could be it. Oh, that gate wasn't open on my way over here. Got a couple decent lookout spots up here. Still find trash out here, unfortunately. Can't go anywhere without finding it. It seems. Well, there you have it. Head up Ormsby cut off here. But all in this video here, I've done the video on this private road. I don't think they really want you up here, but anyways, if you like this sort of stuff, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.